Hello, this is Mr. Denker, and today I'm going to be showing you a little bit about what you missed at programming team. So, how we can actually get to join the team and kind of what we do. So, let's get started with this. The first thing that you're going to need to know are who are our officers. We have 4 officers. We're going to have our president, which is Brett, our vice president, which is Natalie, our secretary, not security, that's Megan, and we have our treasurer, Andrew. And those 4 people are going to be a great help to you throughout the entire school year. They are all fantastic people, and they're all always willing to help. So get to know them. They're going to be a great asset. So going forward from that, we have what are our meetings really like? So we do meet once a week, and we're going to be meeting on Mondays from 2 to 3:30 every single week. We're going to be doing new content for the first 20 minutes or so, and then that's going to be followed up by a 1-hour practice contest. Normally, if you're a part of the new group, you're going to be practicing the new concepts that we talked about a little bit earlier. But the half an hour afterward, the hour there, if you're part of the advanced group, you'll be going over a general contest session, so you won't be going over the new content. The only exceptions to these is in November, December, and January. The Florida High School Programming Series has a contest for us at 3:30. So it's from 3:30 to 5:30. Those days, you want to know that you're going to be staying late. And that's going to be after the activity bus, so you'll have to find your own way home there. But the cool thing about this is when we announce the dates, we generally have food right beforehand, so we don't actually practice during the window there because we're waiting to go to the actual contest. So, but we will have food. Bring money those days because we'll find something to order or go out. We can't actually go out, but we'll order something like pizza, or we'll send someone to go get like Taco Bell, Tijuana Flat, something like that. So just know that those particular days. But those are the big important format that we have. The next part here is dues. Now, you do not have to pay dues if you want just to come out and practice with us. However, if you want to compete, you definitely need to do that. And our dues are separated in a few things. First, our dues are $20. And what does that include? First, you're going to get a lot. The first thing you're going to get is a team shirt. The officers are designing them, and we should have a final design come at the end of this month or the beginning of, September. So we also have the computer science shirt as well, but it's this exact same one as if you paid the class donation. If you paid the class donation, it's exactly the same shirt, or don't pay the class donation and play this. Either one, it's okay. Also, you're registered for one programming contest. It's the American Computer Science League. We're going to be competing in the Intermediate 5 division this year. We do not have enough experienced people to come back into the senior division, so everybody will be placed in intermediate, and hopefully we'll build out that. The cool thing is a couple of years ago, we ended up placing second in the All-Star contest, which is an international contest, which is really cool. Now, the odd things that we're going to be paying for in these dues are going to be like meeting supplies, but we're going to discount your graduation cord because you get this awesome green and black graduation cord. And we also have an end-of-year party where we order pizza and get soda, and it's a lot of fun. But the dues also cover that. Now, this is optional, but you can pay you can also pay $50 and you get a polo and a team jacket. These are really cool. We have pictures of them a little bit later, but the idea behind these team polos and team jackets is that we get there's a little bit nicer of a stuff. The $50 does not cover it because they are embroidered. They're the nice wicketing stuff. So a programming team does add a little bit on that, but you'll need to pay $70 total if you want both. $20 for the dues, and you get everything above, and then $50 for the stuff below. We're not selling jackets and polos to people that don't pay the $20 dues. So And it's completely optional. They're the exact same jackets from last year, the exact same polos from last year. So if you already have one, I would not buy another set of them. So just giving you a heads up on that. Now, the tools we're going to be using, Java is our primary programming language. So Eclipse. Download it at home, practice. But where do you get practice problems? Easy. These are the 4 websites we mainly get for things. Spodge, Code Forces, UVA, and UCF, the high school programming site. Those are amazing resources here. Make sure that you take a look at them. Yeah, it's great. The last thing that we're going to talk about is the contest that we actually do. So we do quite a bit. The very first one is the Florida High School Programming Series. This one's a little bit, that's a little bit important to me. It's this year it's going to be the 6th year of the contest. But this is the contest that I run. So we need to do well on it. But unfortunately, last year we didn't do so hot. So we're definitely going to be practicing in that. That's definitely a priority. We have Stetson University. That one's going to be hosted. Normally, it's hosted in November, right around Thanksgiving. We have USACO. USACO is an awesome competition. It's online only. So the other 2, you're going to have an online and a face-to-face component for both the Florida High School Programming Series and Stetson. USACO, it starts in December and goes until April, and it's once a month, but it's online only, so it's kind of cool. UCF Online, it's normally in December during Computer Science Education Week, and that's another national competition. We have done amazing in that contest in the past. We have the UCF contest, which is probably the best contest in the state, and it has over 100 teams register each time, and it's really big. So I highly recommend going to there. FIU, it's down in Miami, another really well-organized contest. It's a little bit smaller than the rest, but it is a very competitive environment, and that's one of our longest trips that we will take at or this year. UF, last year UF didn't offer a contest, but UF is offering, hopefully we'll offer it this year. It looks like it's going to be it's normally a fun contest. Usually they host it in the football stadium. So it's a really cool environment when you get to go. The last is Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin is a really fun contest. I guess I've said that they're all really fun, but Lockheed Martin is pretty much in our backyard. And this has 2 divisions. We have an advanced division and a novice division. So if you've never taken a programming course before, or you've never never competed before, Lockheed Martin is one contest that we practice for all year, especially if you're brand new. Because the advanced people, we can only take 1 advanced team and 1 novice team. So we look for students that are doing the best as a first year and as advanced. So a lot of people get trapped in that middle, but this is a great opportunity for freshmen or a senior or someone else that are just trying programming for the first time and really falling in love with it. Now, I hope we have a great year. The one thing I did not put on here, I did put on it, ACSL, that is the American Computer Science League. Everybody is registered for that one. Now, each contest will cost anywhere between $10 and $20. Some of them are going to be free, especially the online contests. But we'll cross that bridge as we come to them as we go. So hopefully we have a great year. I hope there's tons of learning, tons of bonding, and a lot of fun. So anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time. Have a great day. Bye.